Frustrated by the Certificate Enrollment Library DLL pop-up crashing your app? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the cause and fix it for good. Quickly resolve Certificate Enrollment Library inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Certificate Enrollment Library. It manages the localized requesting and installation of digital certificates, SSL and S and MIME. It is critical for secure corporate environments and VPN setups. If corrupted, users will encounter enrollment failed errors in the certificate manager, preventing the PC from joining secure networks. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Since this involves a protected library, we should use the standard Windows repair protocol, execute sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to detect registry inconsistencies, and repair files like Certificate Enrollment Library DLL. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Certificate Enrollment Library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup-image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Don't risk your computer's health by downloading Certificate Enrollment Library DLL from random internet sources, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts and ransomware. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. A maintenance path for Certificate Enrollment Library and system optimization is outlined in the diagnostic resource linked below. To keep Certificate Enrollment Library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.